Hi there, students. Praxis. Praxis. An uncountable noun. Okay, praxis is using a theory in a practical way. Maybe you learn about a subject and you learn about a theory, and then you start with the praxis. You actually do it. So, chemistry. Yes, you learn about all sorts of chemical reactions and why this reaction works and what happens. But praxis is actually going into the chemistry lab and using different chemicals and making products, making reactions happen. That is praxis. Okay, so praxis is the practical application of theory. It's practical. Praxis. Now, you can also use this word praxis to talk about the accepted practice, what people normally do. So, what is the company praxis in cases like this? What normally happens? What is normally done? Okay, so praxis, the what people normally do, the habitual practice, the habitual custom, the habit, what normally happens. So in a case like this, what is the praxis, the custom, the established practice? Well, in a case like this, the praxis is normally to let the offender go. Okay, so praxis is talking about the practical side of a profession. Yeah, the practical side of study as opposed to the theory. Or praxis, a practical exercise. So yes, I can teach students about grammar, but the praxis is when you actually have to talk to a native speaker. Okay, it's a practical exercise in this. Praxis, the accepted practice, the accepted custom of something. Okay, so theory is one thing, but praxis is another. Actually using your knowledge. Practice. So praxis, custom, tradition, the convention, real use. Okay, so it's very easy to think about things theologically, but I think praxis is more important. Okay, very often with theories there is a lot of difference between how a theory works and the praxis, how to actually put it in practice. And let's see, I think praxis is generally much more useful than knowing all about the theory. So you need to know about the law, but the praxis is how the law is actually applied. So practice as opposed to theory, application or use of skills, or a convention, a habit, what normally happens in a certain situation. Okay, so practice, implementation, or the custom. Let's see, praxis, formality. 6.5 informality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from ancient Greek, praxis, action, activity, practice. Okay, so the ancient Greek is talking about this. So praxis, practical application of things, doing things practically. And then the established custom, what is normally done, what is the praxis in a case like this? Well, the normal praxis is to and then you explain whatever it is. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Put Praxis in Praxis. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Praxis.